What's the meaning of crowd pleaser? Crowd pleaser. Crowd pleaser.
Crowd pleaser. Crowd pleaser. Crowd pleaser refers to something or someone that is designed or intended to please a large audience or group of people. It could be a performance, movie, speech, product, or anything else that aims to appeal to the tastes, preferences, and emotions of the masses. The result of a crowd pleaser is often positive, as it generates widespread popularity, acceptance, and approval from the target audience. However, it may also have some negative effects, such as sacrificing originality, complexity, or artistic value in favor of simplicity, familiarity, or commercial success.